let's go to the chart. Okay, today is 217 November 14th, right? And welcome to my international webinar, all right? So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the euro dollar, all right, euro. Okay, because today euro actually have a very, very strong rally, okay? And it actually it breaks this pivot of 1.1691, which is last week's, the non-farm payrolls days high, okay? And you can see the strong rally squeeze of the sellers, and now it comes to this very, very important structure, right? So the first thing I'm going to share with you is I'm going to use this Fibonacci tools, okay? You can see the 0.618 is actually at 1.1755, okay? And look at the last 4-hour candle. It actually didn't close up, okay? And now it actually forms a small candle, but we do have another let's see what calm down. Okay, we do have another 3 and 44 minutes have to close this candle. So if this 4-hour forms a inside bar, right? Because this, I think, most likely we're going to become an inside bar, because if the euro didn't break high and maintains within this box, it is considered as inside bar. And if this 4-hour inside bar was broke down, you can sell. You can sell it. All right. So this is inside bar trading opportunities. Okay. Are we clear? Okay. And another thing is I want to highlight to you. Let's go to the 30 minutes chart. Okay, because in 30 minutes charts, let's go back all the way to the day that when the ECB announced the news and the euro dropped quickly, right? Formed some sideways, okay? Pulls back to 1.1785, which is this place, okay? And remember last time when we sell the ECB news, we sold it here. Remember it, okay? We sold this structure breakout pullback trade, okay? And then break down the 1.1378, we sell another lot, okay? So it actually comes to the same area of this, we call it very strong structure, which is here, okay? So this time is actually for the euro to pull back and retest this consolidation area. So if the euro cannot break up, right? If the euro cannot break up, which is this area, okay? So I'm just going to put the box from here. Okay, so just watch the price action within this box, right? If you see some double top, okay, like this, okay, will be good for you to take a short when this double top is formed and sell the pullback, okay? Check whether the euro will have this kind of a formation, right? And you want to sell the pullback, okay, all the way back to 1.1675, okay? All right, so in day chart, let's see what happens to the euro. Okay, in the daily chart, okay, this is a very strong neckline. Okay, the neckline was broken, retested, and make a new low, but today it actually breaks up, okay, a little bit. However, it just cannot break, still didn't really break new high, okay? Where's the new high? New high is here, okay, it's here. So from the trend wise, we can see that this is a high and this is a lower high, okay? We have lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower highs, okay? Okay, it's a series of lower highs and lower lows. All right, correct? So it's still kind of in the downtrend channel, but this rally is a little bit strong, all right? But we need to see where it stops, okay? If it stops here, which at this very important structure, 1.1760, okay, then a potential another lower high, maybe we can capture. And if we short from here, it may just continue to go down and create a new lower low. So that's our plan. Okay, that's our plan. Okay, don't be scared by this bullish candle. Just look at here. When you see the euro, right, reversed very, very nicely, okay, from the lows, okay, to another high, okay, but it didn't really break the previous structure, and it just will goes down. It just will go down, okay. So since the euro is still in this downtrend channel, and we may see a potential lower high, and our strategy is to short euro right now, okay. If you didn't take the trade, you can short it right now, and you just need to put your stop loss above 1.18. even handle, okay, maybe 1.1811 or 1.1820, that is okay, okay. So you're not going to risk too much money, right? You're not going to risk too much many pips, okay, but we are just going to see whether we can capture this potential big the next four, okay, of this euro, okay. And another thing is, let's just compare with the DXY. Okay, why do I need to see the DXY? Because this thing is are moving together, right? Moving together. Okay, so if I ask you one question, you actually find out is very, very particular, very similar of this similar moves. Okay, you look at it here when the DXY was in the 2016 December. All right. What do you see? You can see here the DXY actually breaks the neckline and pulls back to the previous structure. Okay, this is a breaking point. Okay, I want you guys to compare the similarity of these two places. One thing is here, another thing is here. Guys, do you recognize any similarities? If you do, please send me the messages. Okay, you can tell me, do you think that is very, very looks like the same? Okay, and so in the year of 217, I mean this year April, right, when the DXY breaks 99.62 and it pulls back to 101 and then forms a very, very strong bearish trend. Did you see that? Okay, and we some people call this a head and shoulder patterns, right? Okay, however, this head and shoulder pattern is not so clear because it breaks down a little bit and then pullbacks very significantly and then goes down all the way. Okay, but we need to check how much did it pull back to. So when you draw the Fibonacci tools, you can see here. Guys, please tell me, where did it pull back to? Can you see that? Can you see that? Which line? Yes, 0.618, right? Yeah, it pulls back to 0.618 together with the structure here. There's a tiny structure here. Let me just highlight to you. Do you see this tiny structure here? Okay. Right. So kind of a head and shoulder breaks neckline, pulls back to 618 plus a structure, and then it actually goes down all the way. Right. Good. Okay, so what happened now with the euro? Okay, breaks down the neckline. The neckline is here, right? Whereas the structure is here. The immediate structure is here, right? It's already in the structure. And whereas the 618 is here, right? Okay, can you see that? Yes, a lot of times a new trend or a very strong trend moves with a pullback, okay? Because institutional players will trying to fool the people, fool the novice traders. Oh yeah, it's still, you can buy. He is asking you to buy into the resistance. He's asking you to buy into the high places, okay? So I just want to highlight to you guys, this will be very, very similar move. Okay, so what happened to the DXY after the pullback at 618? It actually drops a lot, right? And the time phase is about almost half year, right? From April to September, okay? Almost half year. So will the euro do the same thing from here, another 6 months and all the way? I think it may fill the gap eventually, okay? So you can see there's a lot of downside room, okay? So this thing, it works pretty well together. Okay, so if you want to short the euro, you can short right now. Okay, it's just stop loss of above 1.1810 or 1830. Okay, if the new high cannot be created, okay, if the new high cannot be created, which is telling you still lower highs and lower lows, you don't need to worry about this trade, because the trend will just make you safe. Okay, so lower high and lower highs and potential lower highs. Okay, if this lower high is not break the last high, you can hold this trade. All right. So this may be a very good opportunity for us to catch the bearish trend of the euro, if there is. Okay. Yeah, if you agree with me, you just reply me by one. Okay, let me just see how you get understand this information. 可以帮我倒杯热水吧。Okay, clear. Right, very good. All right, let's move to sterling. Okay, GBP. Okay, GBP actually is weaker than the euro. It's weaker than the euro. And remember, I think last week I do have a very nice trade of the sterling, which is here. I'm telling you guys to watch this ABCD patterns, right? If you remember. Okay. So this ABCD moves, okay, this is a two-leg move, but with the 618 level, okay, and this happens on last Friday, okay, and you can see that the sterling actually reacts or moves before the euro, right? Right, GBP already completed the 618 and it goes back all the way. All right, and look at the daily chart. Okay, let me just we just need to take a look at the trend first. Okay, guys, do anyone are confident that this uptrend line is sort of broken? Do you think this is almost broken? Right, we saw this week, and today most likely you actually already breaks down, right? Yeah, and so the uptrend is no longer there. Okay, at least becomes not very strong. Okay, because the price has been testing this trend line too many times, but it failed to goes up, right? Second thing is the sterling has increased the interest rate, just like the dollar. Okay, just like the dollar. Okay, but what happened after they announced they're increasing the hiking rate? It drops, and last Friday it pulls back another lower high. So right now the GBP is a little is quite simple. Okay, it's lower highs and equal lows. Okay, equal lows. So you just need to see whether which one actually will breaking first. Okay, you can see this is a triangle, right? It's triangle. Okay, if it breaks down first, it's just telling you it's more downside room will happen. Okay, it may just so focus on selling the pullback and all the way to 1.28 or 1.26 or even 1.25. Okay, in the long run, I'm thinking the GBP may go to the 618 level at least. Okay, it may go to 1.2574. Yes, the rate hikes in December for the Fed is almost I think above 90%, above 90% of the possibilities. All right. So sterling, okay, right now have some equal lows, okay, which actually holds a price. But if the cannot makes a higher high, but lower highs, in eventually we actually breaks down. All right. So sterling, don't buy. Okay, focus on sell the high. Sell the high will be better. Okay. And there's another pair. there's another pair I'm telling you guys to sell with, which is a sterling yen. Okay, and today when I mentioned in the in my students group, right, I'm saying that the sterling yen we can short. Where this is a photos I sent to my structure. Okay, you can see here, right, the price pulls back to the 89 EMA and the 618 level, right? It breaks a new low, pulls back a potential lower high. Okay, so 149.45 is good to short. And after we short it, okay, and GBP actually announced a very, very bad CPI data, right? Which, and then the price becomes like this, right? And this is in the 5-minute chart. You can see here, right? This is a trade we catch. We short from here, and I close it after the news announced, right? And right now it's even lower. Okay, so immediately we earn 50 pips, right? Immediately we earn 50 pips. Okay, that is the power of a 618 and the power of, you know, the structure. Okay, so this is you can see here the sterling yen. All right, this is a channel I draw in the trading view. We sold twice, right? I sell the pullback here, sell the pullback here, okay? And today it just pulls back to 618 even, and now the price is continue going down. So I'm going to hold the sterling yen trade all the way to 146.30, right? This is my first target, 146.30. This level, okay, because only here we have some support, and the second target will be about 147 143.00. Okay, so sterling yen, a long-term correction channel has been broken, right? Because we need to see, you see here how many days it actually took for the sterling yen to consolidate. It actually consolidated from October 9th to 11 to November 2, so okay, second, it's actually almost 1 month, right? 1 month consolidation. So a consolidation of 1 month, typically the next trend will also continue for at least 1 month. Okay, so this is from the time horizon what we see. Okay, so you can actually short sterling yen, right? If you don't have a trade, you can short right now and stop loss above the pain, right? And aim for 146.65 and 143. Okay, I have plenty of downside room as well. Okay, let's go for the yes, Nikki. Yeah, you are right. If the dollar increase the rate, all the major pairs will goes down, right? Because the interest rate difference is very, very important. Okay, if the dollar has a higher yield of the other countries, the money will just keep flows into a dollar, right? And because he's the number one currency in the world, right? Aussie dollar, okay, focus on sell, because I saw a long-term structure of support now is becomes resistance. Okay, so we short from 0.77. Okay, and right now the daily chart yesterday actually breaks down. All right, remember, okay, you can see here yesterday is the first time that is closing below 0.7640, right? Do you guys see that? Okay, guys, we need to see the difference, right? Because previously so many candles consolidating at this place, but cannot break down, which tells you 0.7640 to 0.7630 is kind of a support, right? But what happened yesterday? Anyone tells me what happened yesterday? Do you see the difference of the something changed? If it didn't break down, we cannot say it's still bearish, right? It may just bounce, but it breaks down, and today it pulls back. Yes, it pulls back, and see this price action here. Now it's a wick, okay, a wick, and this wick is telling you now the 0.7640 becomes resistance. All right, resistance. Okay, so what you can do is you can short Aussie, and stop loss above the previous day's high, maybe 0.7670 will be good. We go to 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart, the Aussie just breaks down. Okay, it breaks down nicely, pulls back. You can see here, this is a long pin. Okay, it's a pin. Okay, a bearish pin formed at the same structure. Okay, so you can short Aussie and stop loss just above the high, okay, get it? All right, and you can aim for another downside room. And in the daily chart, the Aussie have a potential very good downside room, which I mentioned is here. At least the Aussie may going to test this place, okay, 0.7517 at least, okay, at least. So still room for the Aussie. All right, let's go for the Kiwi. Okay, Kiwi is the best currency I trade in the last month because I just do the one thing. I just short it. Okay, I short here. I short from here 0.72 or 0.7190. If you remember, in my last time when I say 0.790, yeah, which is here. Oh, sorry, not this one. Yeah, it would be this one. Okay, this is a Kiwi. I shot from 0.7190, right? Okay, so you can see it actually moves very nice. Okay, moves very nice. Okay, all the way. And now it's 0.7877. Okay, so this is how we capture very nice downtrend from this structure and pullback. Okay, so and just 2 days, last Thursday is actually the New Zealand's interest rate decision. Okay, so it actually announced nothing new. Okay, but it pushed the price high to the similar place, which is here. Okay, you can see here. So it's just the same as the euro. Okay, pull back to the same place. Okay, and cannot break through. It just goes down. Right. So the Kiwi, but right now it's actually in the support area. I'm not asking you to short right now. Okay, for Kiwi, don't short right now. Short the pullback. Short the pullback. Okay. Yeah. Dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss is just a little bit the same as euro. Okay, but you want to buy the dollar Swiss, I will tell you maybe you can wait for 0.9901. Okay, not so many pips, just maybe another 17 pips. Okay, you can just wait for the 9901 or 9902, and your stop loss should be below 9875. Okay, you are using this structure to buy. Okay, and see whether it can goes up. Okay. All right, let's talk about the gold. Okay, gold actually didn't still sideways for the gold. Okay, the long-term trend line is still there, so not so bearish yet. It still have this very important supporting line here. Okay, so if you want to short gold, better wait for the price to break down and pull back and short. Right now, don't short. And you can also consider to buy gold, right? If you want, you can consider to buy the gold because let me just explain to you. Okay, this is a very typical. It's a good uh, application of Fibonacci extensions, right? I mentioned in my China students group, right? I'm saying that I'm waiting for the price to come down to 1269.20 or 1276, 67. I'm waiting for the price to go down to this place, all right? And I'm waiting for it to, to complete this harmonic patterns, right? Okay, and I want to buy, okay? But it didn't actually give me the 1269.30 entry, so I'm still going to wait. I'm going to wait. Okay, but typically in these low locations, right? You can see here the gold, the low is from 1260 to 1264. The high is actually very high from 1350. Okay, so if the gold is in a low location and I'm going to buy it with some other confluences, right? So I'm waiting for this place to buy. I'm waiting for this place to buy, okay? And waiting for reversal, okay? Dollar yen, yes. So if the gold I'm bullish or I'm waiting for buy, so the dollar yen I'm actually looking for a sell. That's why I'm shorting sterling yen and Canada yen as well, okay? Because I'm thinking the dollar yen, right? You see here is a very nice neckline broken down, pull back. Okay, today pulls back, and you can see now the trend is continued down. So dollar yen we are bearish. We are bearish. Okay, as long as dollar yen cannot goes above 114.06. Okay, so still the lower high is very important. You need to always check whether the high is getting lower or getting higher. Okay, understand? Okay, if the lower high is maintained, lower low is maintained, the pullback cannot create a new high, you just want to short. You just want to short, okay? Because dollar yen, you see, is in an extremely high location. The low is from 107. Okay, what happens if the dollar yen keeps going down to maybe 111 or 110? Right, it's possible. It's possible. So downside room for the dollar yen. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's go to dollar Canadian. Okay, for the dollar Canadian, if you remember my last week's chart, I'm saying 1.2650. Okay, it's very good support. Okay, and now the price is actually, you know, consolidates well, moves up, breaks the wedge, all right, and pulls back. So dollar CAD, you can buy it right now. You can buy the dollar CAD right now. It's actually a good time to buy. Okay, yeah, and the 618 is here. Okay, so yeah, mini rock, I think you can buy the dollar CAD right now. Yeah, just open your trade and put buy the dollar CAD right now. No, he didn't have the trade. Show me your positions. Yeah, he's one of my trader. Yeah, he has no. He's shorting Aussie, shorting Euro. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Okay, you can buy the dollar CAD right now. Okay, you can buy. I think for if your account size is 1,000 or maybe 5,000, right? Limit your size to 0.2 lot. Okay, 0.2 lot. If dollar yen sell euro dollar as well, yeah. Okay, we are talking about the locations. So we are selling dollar yen, we are selling the euro. Yeah, no conflicts. No, basically, even if on a short, we are actually shorting euro yen. Okay, that is, we are trading across currency, but we are trading with independent trading plans and independent stop losses. Okay. Sorry, let me just publish it into some of my groups because I really need to help the other. I have some groups need to cover, right? So just remember, we are bullish for the dollar CAD. This is a wedge broken and pull back to the 618 level. The ideal entry is 1.2700. That is the best part. And right now it actually breaks up, all right? And look, this price action is telling me that yes, buyers is here. So we are safe to buy the dollar CAD from here and a stop loss below 1.2660, all right? And you just aim for maybe 1.2817 or even 1.2878. All right, the ultimate target will be this place, or even 1.3, or even 1.3. Okay, so this is I think how many trades I gave today, guys? If you remember, okay, we have euro, right? Euro we can short, dollar yen we can short, sterling, yes, wow, nice one, nice euro short from here. Okay, you can see the price action 4 hour. I'm telling you that, right? This is a kind of inside bar, right? You can short after the inside bar, or you can short right now. Okay, because 30 minutes chart, this is a bearish signal, right? It's engulfing already. Okay, and inside bar breaks down. Inside bar, this is inside bar, right? So you can short this inside bar. Okay, this is mother bar, this is inside bar. You can see here the inside bar is already broken, right? So we short euro, we short Aussie dollar, same thing. I think it will it actually goes down, right? Okay, give me your hand. Who short Aussie just now? Okay, What I say 0.7640 now becomes resistance, right? Yeah. So just keep your Aussie short, right? Buy dollar CAD, right? The only thing you don't buy is dollar yen. Okay, you understand? Wow, dollar CAD strong moves up. Okay, congratulations for the people who take the trade just now. All right, give me a 5. Thanks, V. Thanks, Ryan. Right? Wow, that's very strong move. All right. Okay. Good. Good. Oh, Lilian, you are here. Yeah, I know you're come from Taiwan this month, right? Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Okay. The last thing I think I'm going to touch is S&P 500. Okay. Who remember the last butterfly trade I gave in my webinar? Excuse me, just wait for a minute. So 那个依恋，你要回去了是吗？OK，那明天大概10点钟以后过来吧，我们10点钟到。对，然后其实早上也不用来太早，因为早上没什么，他们也要写研报，大概可能下午两点钟会 OK 一些。对，你上午可以休息一会儿，但是你早上来也没关系，你可以自己在那边做看看老师怎么研究的，然后多问一些问题吧，好吧 ？OK， 哎，所以就是过来学的，嘛，好吧？他们像秀啊、郑超都对，你可以跟厉害一起学啊，他也在学习。对 ，OK。Okay, see you. So, Rock, any trade from your side? Any trade from your side? Longgang, RB1801.
Long the pound.
Long the pound, no. Short sterling. Short sterling. No, I don't believe you. Just short sterling, short the euro. Okay. All right, let's get back. All right. So the last week, last Friday, I think last week, we have these butterfly patterns, right? And when I say we are shorting it, right, and it works pretty well. It actually breaks down very, very fast. Okay, you can see here. Very soon we hit the first target and the second target, right? That is a very beautiful trade. So what happened for this week? This week, I'm going to tell you guys, just be ready to trade the breakout. Okay, the breakout will be two-way. Okay, this will be the breakout trade. Okay, so if the S&P breaks down to 575, okay, and pulls back, you want to short. If it goes up, breaks 2590 or 95, you want to buy. And within the range, you can do sideways trading. You can do the kind of oscillating. Okay, what is oscillating? You just need to go for the oscillators, like maybe RSI, or maybe you can go for the stochastic. Okay, you can go for this stochastic. You can just apply the indicators, okay, within the range. Okay, so within this range, okay, whenever the RSI is up at the lows, okay, you can buy. Whenever the stochastic is also at the lower side, you can buy. Upper side, you can sell, right? But if breaks up or breaks down, you need to change the strategy. Okay, you need to change from sideways markets to a trending markets. Okay, all right. Dollar yen, euro, US dollar. Okay, already covered. So if you didn't hear the dollar yen and euro USD, you can. I'm going to upload the video to the YouTube, right? So don't forget to go to my YouTube channel. Okay, my YouTube channel is at Projack. Okay, you can just go to the YouTube and search for Projack. Okay, I think I'm being consistently putting videos on the YouTube, right? You can see here 50 videos, right? Almost one video per week. Okay, all right. So you can see here, this is out of my my videos here. Okay, every every week I'm going to update the market, right, for free. I'm doing this webinar, open webinar for free. And I just want to give you guys some highlights or some guidance, all right? Okay, cool. Oil, oh yeah, oil, yes, let's go for the oil. Okay, the oil actually hit one of my stop loss, which is here. It actually hit my stop loss, I think, go to my forward chart. I think I'm stop out for my short of the oil after this ABCD patterns, right? Yes, I short the oil from 56, right? About here, and I saw the ping, and I'm shorting, but actually it breaks up, so it hit my stop loss about 56.48. Okay, it hit my stop loss, but right now you can see here it actually didn't, you know, standing up, or it didn't really consolidating well. It actually breaks down. So my plan for the oil is I want to wait for the pullback to 56.47 and short. Okay, this is my plan. I don't want to chase. I want to wait for the pullback to short. Oh, you sold at a 56.90. Wow, that's very good. Yeah. I know some of my students sold here. They sold from the 618 level from here, 57.37. Yeah, that is a very beautiful short. You can keep it, right? For those people who understand my trading logic, right? You see a very strong, you know, selling pin bar or doji, or, you know, this strong selling force, right? Just wait for the 620 to sell it again, okay? And the reward will be very nice, okay? But if you don't have any trade for the oil right now, you can just wait for the pullback to short, okay? 56.48 or 56.40, that would be good. You have 14 lots weekly in higher. Wow, that's good. 14 lots, congratulations. Right, 14 lots, that's a lot of money. Yeah, really, really happy for you. Okay, so the oil may continue going back to, I think, to this place, 55 first. All right, and if the trend change, so how do we know when the trend is changed? You must apply the trending tools, right? So maybe this trend line is going to give you some guidance. So maybe the oil will goes back to this place, right? 55, okay, and have some support and forms another bigger top or pulling back situations, right? And wait for this long-term trend line to be broken and short oil all the way to 47. Yeah, 47. Okay. How about gold? Yeah, gold I already talked. All right, gold. I think the strategy for this week for the gold is to buy the low. Okay, buy the low. Yeah, I'm not so bearish on gold because you can see here, it actually forms a high, okay, a higher high form, right? And it didn't break lower low. So I'm waiting okay, you just need to draw the Fibonacci tools. You can draw the extension tools, okay? Just wait for the price to go to 1269.20 to 1267.05. And I think this area will be good to buy, okay? So just wait patiently when the price goes down to here and you buy it, okay? Stop loss below 1262 and just aim for a rally, maybe like $10, right? 100 pips, that would be good. Euro yen. Okay, euro yen actually today just pulls back to 618 level. So if you want to short, you can short right now. It's actually the quite much similar phases. You can see here it pulls back to 618, right? So but right now it is above 618. So I think you need to wait for some price actions, right? Wait for the price action to break down again and pull back to short, right? Just like this place. Just like this, same thing. Okay, you can see here when the price goes first touch the 618, okay, it's really they will stabilize a little bit, right, and then give you a reward, right? So this time let's just see what will happen, right? Also there's a potential bad pattern for the euro yen, not so perfect because this a little bit of C points a little bit lower But the bad pattern telling you that, yeah, it's likely if it go to 134.15, there'll be even better place to sell. Yeah. Oh, 2618. Yep. If you're thinking the 2618, you are talking about this. Okay. This is first bottom. This is second bottom. Okay. And now it breaks up, right? Double bottom. So wait for the 618 to come and buy. Right. That's possible. That's possible, right? So it doesn't matter you want to be buyer or want to seller. You just need to remember, if you don't buyer, okay, you want to buy low. If you want to sell, you want to sell high. Like buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, with a stop loss, with a reason that you want to hold the trade. If you don't have, if you lose any other reasons, for example, okay, we are shorting the euro, right? Right now we are shorting the euro, okay. And our reason is we don't want to see the euro to break this week, 1.1785. Okay, if the euro breaks up of this place, we don't have any reason to short it. Just leave the trade. Just cut it loss. Okay, because nobody will knows how much higher they go. Okay, it's okay for you to stop trading for a while by looking at the market. Okay, in a quiet or in a not so objective way, and to see whether the market goes and to give you another trading plan. Okay, don't always trade. Okay, if something goes wrong, just get out. Okay, escape first, and then you goes back to reanalysis everything and reform your trading plan and goes it. All right, and remember, don't lose more than 2% per trade if you want to trade it in a long way. Why keep asking dollar yen? Dollar yen is simple. Okay, it's simple. 114 is becomes a very strong resistance, right? So dollar yen, if it cannot break 114, which is short, right? Just short. All right, I won't answer any other questions because you guys definitely didn't see or listen my previous talking, right? I already tell, we have already covered everything, every asset classes, right? Gold, dollar, yen, euro, sterling, GBP, Aussie, Kiwi, Canada, okay, S&P. So if you still have any questions, right, I'm going to upload the video right now. So you can check the video recordings in the YouTube channel, all right? Thank you, guys. All right, so plan your trade and trade your plan, okay? Don't be a gambler, but be a professional trader. Okay, trade with reasons, trade with logics. All right, good. That's all for today. Thank you very much. I'm seeing you next week. Bye bye. See you.